Morning crew, just prepping the boat at the moment. Behind the scenes, this is one of those groups that have been with me for 25 years. So we've been doing fishing charters for 25 years. The uncanny thing about it though is we actually booked them in as the first 2 or 3 people that we ever took a booking for. That's 25 years ago. So every year since, these guys have come fishing with us. So it's amazing. Today, tell you what, we've got perfect weather. So the good fishermen, plenty of laughs. Let's see how we go today, eh? How'd you go, Tom? Did you get him? It's a miss. Bad luck. Starting to feed though, which is good. Alright guys, just concentrate on the bites. There's no tide, so they're a little bit touchy. So all that really means is just on that first bite, just give them a little bit of line. Wait for the big bite before you strike.
Don't do the opposite to what I just did.
This is what I'm up against, Graham.
Yeah, I know.
You getting? Oh, bad luck, guys. Not that I'm counting, but we've missed the last 3 bites.
Yep.
Alright, Brenton, see how you go, mate. We'll cut that out of the video. Just another little tangle. Good cast. The guys, you pulled a quick half a dozen, and as soon as I got the camera out, 3 misses, 4 tangles, pretty much back to normal. Oh no, Tom's actually proved against it.
Tommy!
Well done, buddy.
Well done, Tommy.
King George.
Yep.
You have to change your name from
Well
Tommy
done,
to
mate.
Whiting.
You love that? Excellent. That's good fish too. Well done, buddy. Welcome back. How many years you been coming with us, mate?
Must be 25.
25.
25 years.
Oh,
well done.
Wow.
Good fish too.
I've lost it.
Oh,
I did it well for the camera. I milked that for all it was worth. Never lost the fish.
Jeff's into one though.
I'm up to 3, mate.
Well done, Jeff.
Yep, it's got ears.
Excellent. Good fish. Actually good fish too.
No, we haven't had to measure one today.
Hey.
Oh.
Just got shit. Oh, I'm sorry.
And that was on camera too, Brent.
Got to use bait, mate.
Still got to use bait, yeah. That is a good suggestion.
I think mine went out.
Right guys, we actually are missing a lot of bites. Okay, so just, everyone's really eager. Just hesitate on the bite. Let the fish control what's happening. Let them swallow the bait. If you go early, we're missing. And at the moment, we're missing quite a few. So we just got to tighten up the odds a little bit. Oh, well done, Kurt. You're showing everyone how to do it now. Well done. That's a good fish too. Excellent, mate. What's the secret, buddy?
Cockle.
Cockle. Cockle's the secret at the moment, is it? Well done, mate. Well done, Graham. Excellent. It's all starting to happen, fellas. Well done. Just got him in the boat.
That's a pass.
That's a pass?
Yeah, it's a pass.
I think it is actually.
That's a good fish. Look at him slapping away, eh?
Okay, so just hold him. Hold him nice and firm. Put your thumb
In there.
just put a little bit of pressure there, and that'll stop the fish from actually moving, which allows you to take the hook out really easy. Well done, mate.
Cockle.
Cockles.
Cockle.
Keep him coming, guys. Obviously we're having a little burst, so it's good. If you haven't had a bite for a while, check your baits. Fresh bait will win. If that cockle gets a little bit waterlogged and loses its colour, just change it. Don't muck around. Fresh bait. Jeff, right on the nose of a fish, buddy. So Jeff, you're going for 3 in a row. 3 in a row within under 3 minutes. You guys have been so lucky with the weather. Oh, that's a bite. That's a bite. That's a bite. Might have missed them. Same time, guys. Fin starting to look good. Looking good, guys. Didn't even have it on. Well done, boys. Well done. It's amazing bottom, actually. Have a look at that, Brenton. That's good. Just coming off the slope. All that high weed. That is guaranteed some whiting when we drift back through that. Even the skipper's excited on that one. What we're doing is we're looking for that high stuff, like the fingers. And the only way we see it is when we zoom in on it. So it's not very high. That would be 30 centimetres, 40 centimetre weed, just strands of it. Lots of seeing in between it. Right, boys, let's do it. Guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed. Does look good. Signed it. The sounder doesn't lie. Just give him a few minutes to find us.
Good.
Well done.
Well done.
Well done. Just hold him up, right?
Not as big as what I usually catch, but I'll take it.
He's sick of holding them up.
You're sick of holding him up, catching whiting,
It's a bit hard.
carrying everyone.
Yeah. There's a note in his mouth. Hang on, what is it? Oh, it's a suicide note. Oh dear. Very hard to catch that one.
Yeah, I'm just going to swing around and then go straight down, guys. Definitely fish on the sounder. Yeah, looks good. He smashed that. He smashed it. Just take it time. Take your time. Push Rocky out the way if you need to. Just Terry, just relax, mate. You're just trying to wind against the fish. So play the fish out. Just take your time. You can't bully a fish like that. Just take your time. Pump and wind rather than just continually winding. So take your time. Lift, wind down. Lift. Right up. Good fish, mate. Well deserved.
Thanks, Kev. Good on you, man. Fantastic. Look at that.
Good the colours.
Does that count?
Absolutely, mate. That's on your tally.
That's on my tally.
What have we got, mate?
Blue Morwong.
Blue Morwong or a big whiting?
The biggest whiting in the world.
It is a good fish. Take your time. I think it is another blue morwong. No. It's a massive whiting.
Help me.
Well done. We got the tangle from hell, but who cares? I don't care about the tangle.
Well done, Rocky.
That is chaos.
Now we
Just hold the fish up the whiting, guys, as well.
56 centimetres, I think.
That's a monster.
Good stuff, mate. Good stuff.
The goat is back.
He's back. So, Rocky, are that you counting your fish?
28, 29, 30.
He's cut his name in the side of it.
You branded him.
They're big enough.
I'm giving him a head start today, that's all.
He's on fire.
I just have to get it in the boot. Another bloody whiting. Good one. Smash.
He definitely got him, mate. Oh, well done.
Oh, okay.
That's a good fish. No, Alright, work together. You've definitely got him. Well done. I'm actually busy with the goat.
It's a whiting.
It's a whiting, you've called it?
It's a nice size.
There's a bit of pressure here.
It's a nice size.
It is a good fish, mate. That's a cracker too. That is a good fish. That's...
Thank you very much. I'd like to thank my mum and my dad and my friends for making this all possible. What do you want me to do?
I can't see the fish, mate.
Oh, I thought you just talking to me.
I cannot see the fish. You've got it laying on the ground. Now that is a whiting, boys.
That's not bad.
That's a beauty.
I've been working on that for the last 3 hours, so it had to be a big one.
It's going to be pushing 50.
Jeff tried to sabotage me.
Unbelievable.
Oh, you got a small one, Jeff. You have to throw that one back.
Five,
I'm quite happy with that. That's 2 feeds for me. Like I've been doing some weightlifting later recently, because I wouldn't be able to lift it up this long, but
That's a cracker. That's a good fish, bud.
yeah, I'm happy with that one.
Maybe in the sun though, male.
Biggest one, isn't it? Or
Probably not.
probably not, he reckons. That's quite quick that he said that.
Probably not 55 feet.
56, I think it was.
Well, crew, that just about sums it up. We've had 2 days fishing with these blokes. It's been crazy weather, absolutely scorching. It's now about 41 degrees here at Point Turton. We just got back. The fellas, they've caught 70 plus whiting over the 2 days. Some of them have been absolutely bumpers, plus some other species. It's been a really good trip. Good bunch of blokes after 25 years of fishing with me, and more to come, I'm sure.